like all the companies now, like Xtool and even Crealities now is making these little desktop lasers. So I'm sure it's fine for entry level, but man, if I was trying to run a business, I would save the money and buy some sort of enclosed like CO2 type laser.
Yeah, that's going to give you the speed, the work side, the work area to be able to batch out stuff if you're doing it. I mean, like I'm currently expanding this office right now, and the only reason I went with an 80 watt because I knew I trying to get it in here, I would have definitely gone with at least 100 or 150, but I knew I was limited to space in here,
They take
and
up so
now
much space.
yeah, they're the 80 watt ohm tech I have is it's a good machine. I don't have anything bad to say about it. I've other people have had issues with them, but I think you're gonna get
That's
that with
anything.
anything that you buy, right? But now I'm expanding and it's like I if I would have waited, I would have gone with a lot bigger with a lot bigger laser. It's just because you can get your materials in certain sizes and you don't have to do a whole lot of cutting down. You can just stick that whole piece in there. Like if you're getting 4x8 sheet goods, usually you can leave them. You're just only going to have to rip one way and then you can just stack all that up and fit them in the machine. It
Yeah,
just
ours
makes
is
it
an
easier.
awkward size.
Yeah, it is.
It's like 30 by 24 versus the Laguna EX. It's like 48 by like 36 or something, but that thing has like such a big footprint. It's insane. I don't even know how I would have fit in the shop. And it really wasn't much more expensive, but again, it was space. I'm like, I just
Yeah.
don't know where I'm going to put this thing.
Yeah. They get pretty big. Once you start getting up to those sizes, they're insanely huge. And that's a lot of space to take up, you know.